Now I blow more. I'll see how fast it is. Woo! Wow! Now I'll show all things to make car balloons. I have tapes, 5 rubber bands, 4 bottle caps, 2 sticks, 3 straws, 1 balloon, and 1 cardboard. Now let's make the car balloons. Now I'll put the straw on the cardboard. Put the yellow one on the top and the red one on the bottom. Now we're gonna tape the straw. The first tape. Now I need the next tape. And the bottom of the straw we're gonna tape. And the last tape, we're gonna tape it. Look at that, it is stick. Ooh. Then put in the straw. First, spaghetti stick. Ooh. And the next one. Wow. It is in there. Now I need some wheels, but actually it's called bottle caps. But I can call it wheel because it's the wheel of the car balloons. We gotta put other way. We're gonna poke through the wheel. The next one. And the next one. Oh dear, where's the cap? I mean wheel. Oh, he's here. Get pushed off here. Now we're gonna need rubber bands. In this we need 4, but actually we have 5, so we need 1 for something else. Getting tired. I am done tying the balloon car. Ooh, wow. We must put under here. And then we must tie the rubber band to the straw and the balloon. I'll tape the balloon. Now I need to blow it and it will go. Okay, let's blow it. Now I can let go of it. Wow! It worked. Let's get the balloon car. I want to try one more time. It's so fun. I blow done. Let's let go of it to move and run fast. Wow! I have Shopkins. It's a toy. It's a donut. Ooh, so cute, huh? It's Shopkins. Ooh, what would you put your hair so like a little spots? I think of here. Oh, it can move. It's so cool. Wow! Thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe. Bye.